Anything else you need, ma'am?
Yeah, I need for you to leave me alone, okay?
Okay. All I'm asking you is don't go to sleep, okay? I don't care where you put that.
You can't tell me not to go to sleep. I don't know who you think you are.
I've been working for the devil too long. I've been working for the devil too long. I'm gone. Yeah.
So I'm holding up this ticket, and you, sir, are telling me on behalf of Greyhound that I cannot change the destination on my ticket.
21. Absolutely. You can change your ticket as long as your destination does not change. On the ticket you purchased, that ticket is good for that destination only.
The customer service representative who did my ticket did it wrong. So why is that my fault?
So basically, Greyhound messed up her ticket. They put the wrong destination is what I'm gathering from this woman and what she's saying. He's basically saying, I don't know anything about that. This guy right here with the flat top. It's kind of a sad situation. The reason I'm showing this video is the police get called on her, and they basically tell her that she basically has to leave, or don't fall asleep there, get arrested if you do. It just seems like a very bad situation. I think that almost anybody could get caught in this situation. If she had more money, maybe she would have to buy another ticket. I mean, even rich people would not want to buy another ticket with a mistake from someone else. There's no accountability, I guess, and just keep watching the video, guys. Thank you.
Greyhound took my money, the representative did the ticket wrong, and now some dude comes up to me with a vest on that says Greyhound, trying to tell me that, okay, and then here's this dude in a jacket talking about I have to go when I'm trying to use Greyhound services. And I'm trying to speak to a Greyhound employee, and they won't let me talk to a Greyhound employee. They won't change my ticket.
Talking to a supervisor.
Can I see your ID?
No, you may not, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I see your ID?
Sure.
Okay. Now, I want to ask you a question.
Okay.
What part don't you understand that your destination cannot be changed?
Okay, what point do you not understand?
No, I asked you a question first. Don't answer my question with a question.
No. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Okay, so you're refusing to ID. Okay. All right.
Yes, I am refusing to give you my ID.
I will call Greyhound tomorrow and
Please
complain.
call law enforcement. Make sure they force me to give you my ID too. Have a nice day, man.
Okay, so we got a parking lot full of Walker, Wallace, police. Apparently there's something going on in there. It feels like it's personal because the lady, she's a sheriff's officer. She told me that she worked for Greyhound and that she wanted me out of the Greyhound Center, and I have my ticket. I have a paid ticket right here, Greyhound. So I just want you to know what these cops are doing to your businesses, to the people of America, everything. Look at this. So I'm standing out in like 30-degree weather. I have a ticket. They refuse to change my ticket. They refuse to refund my money. They want me to stand out in the cold all night. Just because they want. And they got called because apparently there was an immigrant child in the bathroom crying. And the cops went in there and started yelling at the child. And now they told me to leave. So, like, what the fuck is going on? Look at this. Look at him with the American flag on his car, representing the American people. He's using his, man, these cops are using their position in law enforcement to do whatever the hell they want to do. Man, it's fucked off. Look, people of America, not only are they killing black men, but they like to play with Hispanic children too.
Anything else you need, ma'am?
Yeah, I need for you to leave me alone, okay?
Okay. All I'm asking you is don't go to sleep. Okay? I don't care where you put that.
You can't tell me not to go to sleep. I don't know who you think you are.
Five one Charlie. Show me out with one female sleeper. Okay. So here's the deal. Okay. You can tell me that I can't tell you to go to sleep. I haven't told you to leave yet. Okay? By all means, record everything that I'm saying. If I catch you asleep one more time, you will leave the property. And then if you refuse, I will criminally trespass you. Okay? Got it? And then if you refuse, I'll arrest you and take you to jail. Period. You got that on camera?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, so you understand everything I just told you, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Have a good day.